Hello guys, welcome to Marine Republic. One of the best institute in India for graduate marine engineer GME course is Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies. And in this video, I'll give you the full details about this institute. In my previous video, I told you about top 5 institutes for GME course in India. Number 1, Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. Number 2, Institute of Maritime Studies Goa. Number 3, Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies Lonavala. Number 4, Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies Mumbai. And number 5, Maritime Training Institute Mumbai. And out of these institutes, Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies should be your number 4 choice. Before I go ahead with the details of this institute, let me tell you the most important thing, that this institute is owned by India's biggest private sector shipping company, Great Eastern Shipping Company. Great Eastern Shipping Company is based in Mumbai and they have 46 ships in their fleet. Out of that, 33 ships are oil tankers, gas tankers, and 13 ships are bulk carrier. So if you work with Great Eastern Shipping Company, then you have an opportunity to work on oil tankers, gas tankers, as well as on bulk carriers. And as I told you in my previous videos, that if you get an exposure of working on different type of ships, then it is very good for your future career. Okay, so let's move ahead and see what are the advantages of studying in Great Eastern Institute. The first reason is that this institute provides 100% job placement to their students. As I told you that Great Eastern Institute is owned by Great Eastern Shipping Company. So if you study in this institute, then 100% you will get a job in Great Eastern Shipping Company, as well as they call many other companies also in their college campus. So if you are successful and if you want to go in another company, then you can opt for that also. Second point is academics. In Great Eastern Institutes, all instructors are either ex-Merchant Navy captains or Merchant Navy chief engineers. So you get very good knowledge and excellent training under these captains and chief engineers. And when it comes to practical training part during your course, Great Eastern Institute has a world-class infrastructure. They have almost all the machineries and systems of a ship in their college campus. So during your course in Great Eastern Institute, you get an opportunity to work on these systems and machineries under the direct guidance of chief engineers. At the same time, you learn the latest technology also. And lastly, the college campus and the hostel facility in Great Eastern Institutes are excellent. Hostel facilities, food quality, co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities and sports facilities in this college are excellent. So you can see overall Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies is a very good institute for GME course. But there are 2 reasons because of that this college is my number 4 choice. Number 1 reason is their fees is very high. They charge approximately 5,50,000 rupees for their 1-year course. But the bigger reason is that Great Eastern Shipping Company is an Indian company and their salary for junior rank officers like junior engineer, 4th engineer and 3rd engineer is very less as compared to foreign companies. So if you are working on a ship of Great Eastern Shipping Company and other person who is working on foreign company ship like Anglo-Eastern Fleet Management etc., there will be a big salary difference between you and foreign company ship. And this gap will continue until junior engineer, 4th engineer and 3rd engineer rank. And on top of this, some of the ships of Great Eastern Shipping Company, they go to foreign water, but some of their ships, they remain in the Indian coast only. So when you are working on a ship which is going outside India, then it is okay. But if you are working on a ship which is on Indian coast, then you will not get income tax exemption and every year you have to pay income tax from your salary. So first of all, your salary is less and on top of that you have to pay income tax also. So this is a big disadvantage of working in Great Eastern Shipping Company. That is why I have put this company at number 4. So now let us see what is their admission procedure. Your step 1 is you visit their website. There you fill up their form And after filling up the form, they will give you a date for online MCQ based written examination. This written examination date can be any day after you fill up the form. So the first step is filling up their online form. Second step is give their online MCQ based written examination. Number 3 is their psychometric test. Guys, this psychometric test is little bit different type of test, and it is conducted to know your personality, whether it is suitable for Merchant Navy or not. And if you score good in written examination and successful in psychometric test, then they will call you for interview. And if you crack their interview, you get admission in Great Eastern Institute. In the written test, there are questions from English, general aptitude, mechanical engineering and basic electrical engineering. Guys, if you download their syllabus, then you will see that they have included almost everything of mechanical engineering and everything of electrical engineering also. To cover all these things is next to impossible for a student. Therefore, I strongly recommend you to buy a study package so that you can do a targeted preparation in a less time. As far as psychometric test is concerned, most of you must have not heard about this test before. So for psychometric test also, I will recommend you give some online practice test so that at least you have an idea what kind of questions they are going to ask. Guys, don't take this psychometric test lightly. Most of the candidates, even very intelligent candidates, they get rejected because of this psychometric test. So definitely get some idea about psychometric test. And the last and most important step is interview. Guys, please remember, the person who is taking your interview is an ex-Merchant Navy Chief Engineer, and he has at least 20 years of practical knowledge. The questions which he will ask will be practical based and not the theory based. That is why for interview also, get some guidance from the experts so that you can crack the interview very easily. Marine Republic provides best online study material for GME entrance exam for Great Eastern Institute. This material is prepared by Merchant Navy Chief Engineers, and we have a very high success rate. At the same time, the cost of study material is also very cheap. Okay guys, so if you have any confusion, please get in touch with us via WhatsApp and Telegram. And for more knowledge about Merchant Navy, subscribe to our YouTube channel Marine Republic.